CRM Experts Online, transforming CRM data into revenue intelligence. What if your Zoho CRM could tell your sales team exactly which leads to call, what deals are at risk, and what action to take next? The reality is that most sales teams spend too much time on manual research, data entry, and chasing opportunities that will never close. Today, we are looking at the top 5 AI use cases for Zoho CRM that are delivering the highest ROI for sales organizations right now. These are real-world use cases that CRM Experts Online is implementing using AI agents, Zoho CRM, and Zoho MCP tools. Let's dive in. Use case number 1, AI Lead Qualification and Prioritization. ROI is extremely high. One of the biggest challenges sales teams face is determining which leads deserve attention. Most reps call every lead equally. AI changes that. Instead of guessing, AI evaluates industry, company size, revenue, job title, CRM activity, website engagement, and LinkedIn data. The AI then assigns a score: hot leads from 90 to 100, warm leads from 70 to 89, cold leads below 70. Using Zoho CRM and MCP tools like Execute CoQL Query, Get Record, and Update Record, AI automatically identifies the highest value opportunities. Imagine receiving 100 leads. Instead of calling all 100, AI identifies the top 20 most likely to buy. Your team spends time where it matters most. For most organizations, this is the fastest and easiest AI win available. Use case number 2. AI Next Best Action Agent. ROI is extremely high. A common problem in sales is that reps simply do not know what to do next. Should they call? Send an email? Schedule a demo? Follow up with a proposal? AI can analyze emails, phone calls, activities, opportunity stage, and last contact date, then provide a recommended next action. For example, a $50,000 opportunity has had no activity for 21 days. Instead of waiting until the deal is lost, AI flags the opportunity as high risk and recommends call the VP of Operations within 24 hours. Using Zoho MCP tools like Get Record, Get Related Records, and Update Record, the AI becomes a virtual sales coach for every rep on your team. Use case number 3, AI Opportunity Health Monitoring. ROI is very high. Sales managers often discover bad deals too late. By the time problems become visible, revenue forecasts are already impacted. AI can review every open opportunity each morning and evaluate stage age, deal velocity, activity history, and engagement levels. It automatically identifies stalled deals, ghosted prospects, missing decision makers, and missing next steps. For example, ABC Manufacturing has a risk score of 82% because there has been no activity for 28 days, a proposal was sent 35 days ago, and no executive sponsor has been identified. Using Zoho MCP tools like Execute CoQL Query, Get Records, and Get Related Records, sales leaders gain visibility before deals become lost opportunities. Use case number 4, AI Prospect Research Agent. ROI is very high. How much time does your team spend preparing for meetings? For many reps, it is 15 to 30 minutes per prospect. Now imagine asking, "Tell me about Acme Manufacturing." Within seconds, AI gathers CRM history, contacts, open opportunities, emails, meeting notes, and external company intelligence, and generates a concise executive briefing. For example, Acme Manufacturing, customer since 2022, has a $120,000 ERP open opportunity with primary contact Sarah Jones, VP of Operations, whose current concern is inventory visibility. Using Zoho MCP tools like Search Records, Get Record, and Get Related Records, your team enters every meeting fully prepared with no research required. Use case number 5. AI Meeting Follow-up and CRM Updates. ROI is massive. Let's be honest, most sales reps dislike CRM data entry. After every meeting, they should update opportunities, create tasks, enter notes, and define next steps. But often, they do not. AI solves this automatically. After a Zoom or Microsoft Teams meeting, AI can summarize the conversation, create follow-up tasks, update opportunity stages, log meeting notes, and create next-step activities. For example, the meeting transcript says the customer wants a demo next week, budget is approved, and technical validation is required. AI automatically updates Zoho CRM, stage set to evaluation, budget confirmed to yes, next step to technical demo, and creates a task to schedule demo. Using Zoho MCP tools like Update Record and Create Records, this reduces administrative work while improving CRM data quality. At CRM Experts Online, here is the order we would prioritize if starting from scratch. Number 1. AI Lead Qualification and Scoring, the fastest ROI. Number 2. AI Prospect Research Agent, eliminates 15 to 30 minutes of prep per meeting. Number 3. AI Next Best Action Agent, a virtual sales coach for every rep. Number 4. AI Opportunity Health Monitoring, catch stalled deals before they crater your forecast. Number 5. AI Meeting Follow-up Automation, eliminates manual CRM updates. Together, these 5 AI capabilities can transform Zoho CRM from a database into a proactive, revenue-generating platform. If you are using Zoho CRM and want to explore how AI agents can qualify leads, monitor opportunities, automate research, and eliminate manual CRM updates, CRM Experts Online can help. Contact us today to schedule an AI readiness assessment and discover which AI use case can deliver the fastest ROI for your sales organization. CRM Experts Online, transforming CRM data into revenue intelligence.